game namuhla ngiyibonile Bram. First things first, I like to congratulate our player awethu badlalile. I mean first half we had all the chances that we can think of. Kunoba ukuthi we were not clinical masiya phambili. But we played very well. Sundowns athola maybe 2 chances by sebenzisa. So it was a matter of luck nje kuphela ebekhona kithi ne Sundowns. And I don't understand ukuthi why basiletha la ne FNB Prime. Stadium lesi sinebhadi lesi. Always masla FNB masla ne Sundowns. It's either siyadliwa or siyadraw yangithola. I so wish with next time bangasithatha basise esigotini because ngisho labantu laba baze esigotini nengeke baphume baphile.
A different story,
yeah yangithola. But unfortunate for the boys namuhla if it was if ngabe bathi maybe sidlale futhi 90 minutes and futhi nengeke silunge because of like we had all the chances that we can think of but things it didn't go our way. And then I so wish for speedy recovery for bathi banduni umbatha nali number 1780 le
Evidence Makgopa
ngicela babuye because of siyabanida bazokhona ukunceda umbuthu maphambili yabona. And then we feel sorry for lama team azayo Saturday na next week Saturday basejayivile esikwatile inkabi yakho
angitshele mamela ke ngicela ungayi man of the match yakho for today if angaguy authority bozoyinika bani
mina if for mina uMakhehleni Makhawula
cash content
cash content ulibambile he made things to happen for us yangithola. So mina namuhla ngipho uMakhehleni Makhawula hard luck to the boys and then we win some we lose some
Bopapagania thank you bafethu please subscribe.